Okay, so this is supposed to be street photography heaven, this town. It's just got alleyways and streetways of lots of opportunities, and it's about 4 o'clock and the sun's almost setting, so no pressure, Rob. Nah, it's all good. I've eased up on the photos because you can get all photoed out when you're on holidays. You end up like everyone's just laughing at me going, Rob's taking another bloody photo. I'm always late on the bus too. Anyway, this street looks alright, not many people. Let's go down this one.
Right. If you were
the miso tasting. Had a little bit of miso. So this is the little town. I can't remember the name. I'll put it down here. Again, I can't remember the name of anything. It's all small streets and again, very traditional, but it's a bigger town this time. A lot of street shots I can take here, I guess. It's just so much. Alright, let's go down this one.
So I'll get some help.
Just in the city of I really have no idea where I am. Maybe I'll write it down. And I was trying to do some street photography. A little bit street photography art actually. I've been photographing for 5 days straight and I'm starting to get a little bit of couldn't be bothered. But there's a nice bridge over here. That kind of worked, sort of. Didn't realise there was a nice scenery behind it. I tried to line up the red bridge there with trying to get some people to walk across as well, but the right people, and we're a bit far away. That's what I had, one of these. I had one of these. I think it's a mozzarella ball and a rice cake. But I tell you what, this whole no bin thing, it works, but it's a pain in the ass. I had these two bloody greasy, oily skewers, and I'm walking around. I want to take a photo, but I've got these bloody skewers in my hand. You've got to find, you can't find bins. There aren't any bins. There's no bins, Rob. You know that, Rob. There's no bins. This street looks nice. It's just perfect light coming up here. I'm trying to get someone to kind of walk past here as they walk, but like there's some really cute shots here, like that. So you got to be quick though, and then shooting into the light. But the problem is the bloody shadow. So there's one there. Quick, Rob. as they walk past, especially that lady on the bike. That was awesome. I can get some sort of scenarios where everyday living. That's what I want. I want an everyday living like normal people, not tourists. Here's two people who probably work here. There you go, Rob. As they turn, a bit more, Rob. Come back a bit. Nah, missed it. Maybe I missed it, maybe I didn't. I don't know. I got no idea, Rob. What time is it? I keep freaking out that I'm not running late. Alright, let me put you away and start concentrating. I think what's happening is I'm taking too many photos and I'm not on holidays. I'm not doing what I'm supposed to be doing here, which is like taste testing and whatever. Maybe I should stop taking photos a little bit, put that and start enjoying being on holidays. Well, I mean, I enjoy photography, but you know what I mean. Try the sake, Rob. Yeah. Let me go look for a sake spot. You know what I mean. Participate in the country's activities, what have you. Seven one nine. I passed. 719. 719. Wow, I got the secret room. Got the secret room. Oh, holy underwear. This is it. I got my far out. It's pretty full on. Huh. What's the bathroom? Oh yeah. All their bathrooms are the same. They have kind of like a capsule. You have a little capsule or something. Plastic. But this is Kyoto.